actionable resource right here. You can start practicing, you can start building muscle memory, you can start learning how to listen right now using things that you're going to use all the time in your regular everyday speech. So, as soon as is today's phrase chunk. Does it matter which grammar tense it is? No. Does anybody care if you know what grammar tense it is when you're speaking to them? No. What will people care about? If you know how to say it in a way that's easy for them to understand. So I already know that most of you will pronounce this and you'll say as soon as you say as soon as, right? But that does not compute in a native speaker's ear. Guess how we say it? We make these function words into reductions. So what does that mean, a reduction? We did 3 lessons on reductions. Reduction means the vowel sound disappears. So it can get out of the way of the important part, the stressed vowel. So I'm going to read this the way that I would read it, say it as a native speaker. Just use your ears, listen and absorb. Listen to this. Listen to my musicality coming up. Listen to the pitch going all the way through with the vibration. Here we go. Just listen. As soon as. As soon as. As soon as. All right, you try it. As soon as. Right? You notice these S's, I'm not saying S, S, S. I'm saying is. You hear this? As soon as. As soon as. What is this sound right here? Some of you are probably wondering. I'm not saying right? I'm not saying So this is the problem with phonetic spelling, why you guys can't only rely on it. But what this is representing here is just the sound of my voice starting, coming up, being activated as I slide into z. Right? Listen. Is, because we always start our voice, activate our voice first, and then we start pronouncing whatever comes after that. So that's why it sounds like this. As soon as, repeat it, as soon as, right? You got to make sure the reductions are tiny, short, flat, small, and the important part is bigger. As soon as. All right, so hit the like button, guys. We're about to go over these examples. So if you can master how to say this, as soon as, you can start putting that into all sorts of different phrases and sentences in your daily speaking. So here we go. We can start out, say it in the beginning of the sentence. You can say, as soon as I finish, I'll call you. You try it. As soon as I finish, I'll call you. Notice how I'm linking this. As soon as I, hear that? As I finish, I'll call you. All sliding with one connected group of air. Next one. As soon as you hear how I pronounce this? It's not in the mouth. Everything is vibration. Listen to how short it is, and it's another reduction. We have 2 reductions next to each other. Nizir, right? Because we link this. So we say Nizir, 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 Nizir. Hear that right here? Nizir. As soon as you're, try it. As soon as you're, do you notice what you guys don't remember to pay attention to is that this energy never stopped. This is what you have to listen to right here. As soon as you're, right? And then we can put all the attention here on as soon as you're ready. As soon as you're ready. Okay? As soon as you're ready, we're leaving. As soon as you're ready, we're leaving. Okay? Maybe you're looking for something. As soon as I hear this linking, consonant to vowel linking. As soon as I, I'm going to link this too. I'm going to say dit. As soon as I find it, Did you listen to the letters or did you listen to the melody here? Because this is what native speakers listen to. Listen, as soon as I find it, energy, never stop moving forward. As soon as I find it, I'll send it. You see how this linking is the same? Find it, send it. Dit. As soon as I find it, I'll send it. Next one. As soon as zum. As soon as I'm done, I'll help you. You. Right? Not I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll help you. Right? You, not new information. Help is the detail. Listen, same thing we're doing. As soon as I'm done, I'll help you. Like that. Okay? Now let's throw it into the middle of the sentence. I'll call you, right? I'll tiny, call big. I'll call you. You as soon as try it. You as soon as I'll call you as soon as, right? One way you know if you're pronouncing these right is if it doesn't sound like what you see. That's how it works, unfortunately. Listen, I'll call you as soon as I. Look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Only 2 sounds in all 6 of those words are important. All and oon. Listen, I'll call you as soon as I finish. And did you notice when I said finish, I didn't say fe. I said in. Listen again. As soon as I finish. You got to take that pitch up with musicality. Hit the like button, guys. Let me know where you're watching from. What's your native language? Looks this. Text me as soon as you. Even when they're unstressed, they're still super musical. It's still musical. There's always musicality. Low pitch, high pitch, doesn't matter. Listen. Not text me. It's text me. You hear how soft that T is? Text me as soon as you get home. Text me as soon as you get home. What are you guys probably missing? I'm not saying get. We don't say get. We say get, right? So it sounds more like this. Get. Why? Because it's a verb, but it's not an important verb, so we reduce it more. Listen. You get. Text me as soon as you get home. Text me as soon as you get home. Okay? I'll send it as soon as I find it. I'll send it as soon as I find it. All one connected flow of energy just coming from the body with melody, shape getting adjusted here. Look at this. Call me as soon as you. Call me. You notice how soft K is? How much attention I put on the vowel? Call me as soon as you get off. Right? Not get off. Get off. Get off. Call me as soon as you get off. Call me as soon as you get off. No diddy. All right, next one. I'll be there. None of this is new information. I'll be there as soon as I can. This is new information, and this is the most new information, right? I'll be there as soon as I can. Right? Be, tiny bit. Not as much as soon and can. Listen, I'll be there as soon as I can. Okay? Questions. Same format. As soon as look how many different ways you can use this. As soon as, look at this. Can you I know most of you probably saying can you. I'm not saying can you, I'm saying can you. The vibration, again, the same thing. Can you call me as soon as you're free? You hear the contrast? Can you call me as soon as you're free? Can you call me as soon as you're free? It's all about right here. Can you call me as soon as you're free? Look at this. Will you, not well, yo, will you send it is, you hear that? Listen how I link these three words. Send it as soon as, send it as soon as you finish. Will you send it as soon as you finish? Right? One connected stream of air, not individual words, not individual letters. You cannot tell where one of these words starts and finishes. Listen. Will you send it as soon as you finish? Look at this. I'm not gonna say ar or ar or whatever version ar you er. That's it. Just That is how we pronounce the word are as a function word. Are you leaving? As soon as you get off? Are you leaving as soon as you get off? Listen, I didn't pronounce this either. I didn't pronounce that. Listen how I connected it. Are you leaving as right? As soon as. Remember, these are vibrating. These are Z's. They're not s. I'm not saying leaving as soon as. As soon as get off, right? Not get off. Get off. Are you leaving as soon as you get off? You try it. Are you leaving as soon as you get off? Again, pause. No diddy. Next one. Can you, right? You guys gotta stop saying can. You gotta do it. It's not easy to understand. It's just this. Can. Inside the body. We're all speaking inside the body. Can you text me as, not me as. Don't separate these. I know you want to naturally separate these sounds. When you're linking vowels, it's uncomfortable for you. It doesn't matter. Listen, can you text me as soon as you, can you text me as soon as you get home? All one group of energy, musical in the body. Can you text me as soon as you get home? All right, hit the like button, guys. If you're learning something, let me know in the chat. Where are you watching from? What's your native language? And negative. What? I can't leave. Leave is, listen, linking. Leave as soon as, right? This E is silent. It's not having any effect on the pronunciation. Right? Can't. Right? This is different than can. This is can't. We'll do a whole lesson on it later. Check it out. I can't leave as soon as the, hear that? Just energy flowing forward. This is all neutral. I can't leave as soon as the meeting ends. Again, I didn't pronounce this. I just linked the N with here and I said nens, meeting ends. You try it. Meeting ends. Listen, I can't leave as soon as the meeting ends. I can't leave as soon as the meeting ends. All right, last one. I won't be. I won't be. Notice it's all connected. You don't hear where one word starts or stops. It's not I won't be. I won't be. It's I won't be. And it's all right here. I won't be free. Right? Not free, free, free. We'll focus on the E. Listen, I won't be free. And again, go past your comfort zone. Get out of your comfort zone. Link these sounds. Doesn't matter if you're in your native language, you wouldn't connect them. Listen how I connect them. Free is yiz. Yeah, there's an unwritten sound there. That's how linking vowels works. It's okay. We don't care as long as we can hear your voice continue. That's more important to our ears. Listen, I won't be free as soon as you. I won't be free as soon as you think. You try it. I won't be free as soon as you think. I won't be free as soon as you think. Notice you barely hear my consonant sounds. You barely hear consonant sounds. They're soft, and I'm just sliding through a vibration and vowels. Listen, it's not I won't be free as soon as you think. It's I won't be free as soon as you think. And that's how American pronunciation works. So guys, this is your phrase chunk. As soon as you, doesn't matter what grammar, what it's called, or if you can name it. It's not an academic test. This is for real life. So if you can train yourself to pronounce as soon as every single time, look at how many different ways you can pronounce this. Look at how many different ways you can use this. You can boost up your English in just 1 week and sound clear and natural.